Focus bracketing is very similar to focus stacking. The difference is that with stacking, the camera will do the final stack in camera, and in bracketing, you have more control on how many photos you want to take for the shot, yet you will need to put them together in post-production. The camera also saves all the photos as RAW format, so you'll get even more flexibility in post. To enable focus bracketing on the OM-1, press the menu button and navigate over to the second tab, and then the third page to choose Focus BKT. Press OK, and then OK again to turn focus stacking on. Next, set your number of shots. You can set anywhere from 3 all the way up to 999 shots. And for the focus differential, you can set from 1, which is a narrow differential, all the way up to 10, which is a wide differential. Focus differential means the distance between focus points for each shot in your series. Remember that when you start taking photos, the focus bracketing feature will have moved the focus further from your initial focus point only.